a wonderful track. Hi Justin, did you have a good vacation? Wonderful. Where did you go? California, Arizona, New Mexico and New York. Really? What a long trip it was. Yeah, certainly it was. How far is it to Arizona from New York? It is about 2,500 miles. And why did you go there? Well, there are many reasons, but one of them is you will amazed by so many exciting places such as Grand Canyon, as well as Arizona is famous for its deserts. Did you go to Grand Canyon? Yeah, sure we did. What an experience it was. We went right down to the bottom. Did you walk down? Ah, no, it's too far. We went on mules. How deep is the canyon? It's about 5,000 feet deep. Really? How long is it? I think it's around about 300 miles. Then how long in kilometers? Well, it's 350 in kilometers. Oh, what a canyon it was. Did you take any pictures? Yes, I did. I have so many. Would you like to see?